1931 Auburn 898, a sedan. Price $11,750. Location Virginia, USA. The 1931 Auburn 898. A sedan is a stunning reminder of a time when automobiles were crafted with elegance, precision, and true character. Finished in a deep maroon color, this pre-war classic immediately captures attention with its tall stance, long hood, and iconic rear-hinged suicide doors. It represents an era where design was bold yet refined, and every detail had a purpose. The power behind this vintage beauty comes from its inline 8-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Driving this car is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about experiencing the road the way drivers did nearly a century ago. The floor-mounted gear shifter adds a layer of authenticity, giving you full control and connection to the machine. The exterior design is where this Auburn truly shines. From the chrome sunburst-style headlights to the multiple hood vents, every element reflects both style and engineering excellence. The 17-inch wooden artillery wheels wrapped in classic tires enhance its vintage appeal, while the chrome accents and trim provide a touch of luxury that was ahead of its time. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that focuses on simplicity and function. A large 100 mph speedometer dominates the dashboard, supported by essential gauges like oil pressure and water temperature. It's a straightforward yet elegant setup that reflects how luxury in the 1930s was all about reliability, durability, and driver awareness, rather than excessive features. This vehicle comes from the legendary Auburn Cord Duesenberg, a brand known for producing high-performance luxury cars at a more accessible price point during its era. Auburn vehicles were admired for their advanced engineering and stylish designs, making them highly desirable among enthusiasts and collectors today. The Auburn 898. A sedan you see here is a project car, offering an incredible opportunity for restoration or preservation. Whether you're a collector looking to bring history back to life or an enthusiast searching for a unique classic, this car holds immense potential. It's not just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive history waiting for its next chapter.